Welcome guys once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super duper excited once again to have you guys here on my channel, and thank you for staying tuned. And on this channel you're going to learn how to make money online, and if you're looking for business opportunity where you can invest your money, then this is the right channel for you. Kindly smash the like button, smash the subscription button, so that when I drop videos like this you will be the first to see them. And on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I successfully unboxed this product right from eBay to Nigeria. So join me as I take you on how you can set up your account as a beginner, and also how you can successfully import products right from eBay to Nigeria. So I'll be seeing you in my unboxing video. Yeah, so I'm excited to have this product with me. So this is Apple Watch bands inside. So let me quickly unbox this so that you guys can see what is inside. So let's go. I'm excited because you know, when you try something and it successfully come true for you, you'll be wanting to see what's inside this content. I know most of you guys will want to see what is inside this content. So kindly join me as let me hold it this way. All right, so let's go. Yeah. So there's it. Yeah. So this is one of it. Wow, this is so nice. So there are different straps for Apple Watches. So this one is the screen guard. So this is it. Yeah. So can't you see how nice they are? So I successfully imported this right from eBay, and bam, here they are in Nigeria. So these are, I actually love these. Wow. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video. I hope you guys got value from the video. So guys, if you want to import products from China, from US, from Canada, and you want to learn how you can do it by yourself, kindly go to the description. I'm going to be dropping information on how you can join into my program as a beginner. And also, I'm going to be sharing a secret website where you can import this product for cheap. You want to import gadgets, you want to import fairly used clothes, fairly used shoes, and I'm going to be sharing with you in my program how you can do that successfully. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the red button and subscribe, click the notification bell, and also smash the like button so that when people see videos like this, they are going to get value from this. Thank you guys for staying through to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.